Hello, my dear 7th standard students. I am social science teacher. In the last class, we learned about the interior of the earth. Today, I will look at the answer to the questions in the back of the lesson. My dear students, turn your social science textbook, page number 152. First, choose the correct answer. One, knife is made up of A. Nickel and ferrous, B. Silica and aluminium, C. Silica and magnesium, D. Iron and magnesium. Answer A. Nickel and ferrous. Second question. Earthquake and volcanic eruption occur near the edge of dash. Answer A. Mountain, B. Plains, C. Plates, D. Plateaus. Answer C. Plates. Third question. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by dash. A. Seismograph, B. Richter scale, C. Ammeter, D. Rotometer. Answer B. Richter scale. D. Fourth question. The narrow pipe through which magma flow out is called dash. A. Vent, B. Crater, C. Focus, D. Galtera. Answer A. Vent. Fifth question. Lava cones or dash. A. Mountains of aluminium accumulation, B. Mountains of deformation, C. Released mountains, D. Fold mountains. Answer A. Mountains of accumulation. Sixth question. The top of the cone of a volcanic mountain has a depression known as the dash. Answer A. Crater, B. Lopithic, C. Caldera, D. Still. A. Answer crater. At the number 2, seventh question. Dash belt is known as the ring of the fire. A. Pacific, B. Atlantic, C. Arctic, D. Antarctic. Answer A. Pacific. Second, fill in the blanks. First, the core is separated from the mantle by a boundary called VChat dash போட்டிருக்கு. Weichert Gutenberg. Discontinuity. Second question, the earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as seismograph. Answer, seismograph. Third question, magma raised to the surface and spread over a vast area is known as dash. Fissure eruption. Fourth question, an example for active volcano dash. Answer, St. Helens, USA. Mauna Loa, Hawaii. Fifth question, seismology is the study of dash. Answer, earthquakes. Third, circle the odd one. 1. Crust, magma, core, mantle. Answer, magma. Second, focus, epicenter, vent, seismic waves. Answer, vent. Third question, Uttarkasi, Chamoli, Koyna, Krakatoa. Answer, Krakatoa. 4. Fourth question, lava, caldera, silica, crater. Answer, silica. Fifth, Stromboli, Helen, Hawaii, Fujiyama. Answer, Fujiyama. Fourth, match the following: earthquake, sudden movement. Answer, Shima, silica and magnesium. Pacific ring of fire, world volcanoes, tsunami, Japanese stamps. At Kenya, ஆப்பிரிக்கா. கென்யா எங்கே காணப்படுது? ஆப்பிரிக்காவில் காணப்படுது. Fifth, consider the following statement and tick and appropriate answer. 1. Assumption A, the structure of the earth may be compared to that of an apple. Reason, or the interior of the earth consists of crust, mantle and core. A and R are correct and explain R. B, A and R are correct but does not explain R. C, A is incorrect but R is correct. D, both A and R are incorrect. Answer A. A and R are correct and A explains R. Second, assumption A. The Pacific Ocean includes 2/3 of the world's volcanoes region or the boundary along the eastern and western coast area of the Pacific Ocean is known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. A and R are correct and A explain R. B. A and R are correct but it does not explain R. C. A is incorrect but R is correct. D. Both A and R are incorrect. Answer A. A and R are correct. Explain R. Answer in a word. 1. Name the outermost layer of the earth. Answer the crust. Second question. What is said? The upper part of the earth crust. Third question. Name the movement of the earth's lithospheric plates. Tectonic movements. Fourth question. Give an example of extinct volcano. Kenya, Africa. Seventh. Answer the following briefly. 1. What is mantle? 2. Write note on the core of the earth. 3. Define earthquake. 4. What is a seismograph? Answer first question. What is mantle? Mantle is the next layer beneath the crust. It is divided into two parts: upper mantle, second lower mantle. Second question. Write note on the core of the earth. The innermost layer of the earth is called the case. It is also known as perisper. The core is divided into the outer core, second, the inner core, solid state. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. Define earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden movement of a portion of the earth crust which produces shaking and trembling. Fourth, what is seismograph? A seismograph is an instrument that recorded the earthquake waves. Fifth question, what is volcano? A volcano is a vent on an opening in the earth's crust through which a hot magma erupts from deep below surface. Sixth question. Name the three types of volcanoes faced on shapes. The three types of volcano faced on shape: shield volcano, cylindrical volcano, third composite volcano. Number one has been able to sample from the interior the answer the following briefly. What is mantle? Mantle is the next layer beneath the crust. It is divided into two parts: upper mantle, lower mantle. Second question, write note on the core of the earth. The innermost layer of the earth is called the case. It is also known as phyrosphere. The core is divided into one, the outer core, two, the inner core, solid state. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. Third question, define earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden movement of a portion of Earth's crust with produces shocking, shaking and trembling. Fourth question, what is seismograph? A seismograph is an instrument that recorded the earthquake waves. Fifth, what is volcano? A volcano is a vent or an opening in the earth crust through which hot magma emerges from deep below surface. Name the three types of volcano based on shape. The three types of volcano based on shape: shelled volcano, cylinder cone volcano, composite volcano. Give reason. No one has been able to take sample from the interior of the earth. No one has been able to take samples from the interior of the earth because the interior of the earth, the core extends from 5,150 kilometer to 6,370 kilometer. It has very high temperature and pressure. The outer core, the iron is in liquid state? Distinguish between shale and shima. Shale, the upper part of the earth crust, the lower part of the earth crust. The main mineral consistent are silica and alumina. The main mineral consistent are silica and magnesium. Consist of granite rocks, consist of facilitic rocks. Shale, average density is 2.7 gram by centimeter cube. Average density, Sima, average density is 3.3 gram by centimeter cube. Forms the continent. Sima forms the ocean floor. Shelled volcano and composite volcano. Shelled volcano, it is formed by quiet and eruption of lava with a low silica content. Composite volcano, it is formed of alternative layer of lava, cylinder and ash. Shelled volcano, it has a wide face and a cone with gentle slopes. It is also called composite volcano. It is also called stratovolcano. Shelled volcano, Hawaii Island, composite volcano, St. Helens. மாணவர்களே, இதுடன் இந்த பாடத்துக்கான கேள்விக்கான பதில் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லப்பட்டிருக்குது. இதில் ஹோம்ஒர்க்காக ரோமன் லெட்டரில் 1லேருந்து 6th வரைக்கும் எழுதிட்டு வாங்க. எழுதி ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் அனுப்புங்க. தட்ஸ் ஆல். தேங்க்யூ மாணவர்களே.